Hello! So today we're going to review the Everyday which is Familiar's Oracle, art by Elizabeth Alba. So, kararating lang din ito, galing US, and $24.99 siya. Let me see. Sa receipt. 24.90 ko siya nakuha. Pero 24.99 talaga yung selling price niya. Ayan. So, Everyday Familiars Oracle naman siya. I love oracles. So, ang dami ko ding oracles. So, yan. So, ito siya. Ito yung book niya. Let's see. So, almost the same ng Everyday Witch Oracle. Meron din kasi ako nun. I love Everyday Witch. Nabanggit ko yun yung favorite talaga na na cards. Gamit na gamit yun sa akin. So, meron siyang divination, meaning, message, the dog, the wolf, ayan, raven, cat, lion. May mga meaning siya dyan. And then, it's 104 plus this one, 105 pages. Ayan lang siya. Ayan yung back niya. So now, let's proceed with the cards. Ayan. Ito yung harap. Ang laki niya. Malaki siya. So, kapag si Elizabeth Alba talaga yung gumawa ng oracle, it's really big. No? So, compare natin siya din sa isa. This is my Everyday Witch oracle. No? Kamukha. Ang kaibahan lang dito is this one may number, no? This one is wala. Wala siyang number. Alright. Tingnan natin. Check muna natin kung ilang cards to, ha? 40 card deck. 40 pieces siya. So, tingnan na natin yung mga images. Ang laki niya. So, igigilid ko to konti. Ayan. The dog. Wolf. Nakalagay on earth. Horse. Bear. Rabbit. Snake. Stag. Monkey, raccoon, hummingbird, bat, raven, owl, honeybee, nasa air na tayo, dragonfly, spider, lovebirds, cat, sorry, yung aso ko, lion, cheetah, rooster, firefly, chameleon, nasa fire na, wild boar, hawk, red fox, dolphin, sea turtle, frog, koi, penguin, heron, octopus, otter, beaver, water na to, then spirit, dragon, unicorn, phoenix, and sphinx. So yeah, shuffle natin. Ang laki kasi niya. Ang laki talaga niya sa kamay. Laki, oh. Diba? So, try natin i-shuffle. Siguro ganyan na lang yung shuffle natin. Kasi, nahihirapan ako. Ang laki niya. Try natin mag-read for today. Let's see. Spirit, guide me. What is your advice for me today? Let's see. I'll pull one card and let's read the meaning. Oops, one card lang. 5 lumabas. Spirit, guide me. One card. Alright, this is my advice. Water and then octopus. Let's see kung anong meaning. Water. Hanapin natin yung meaning. It's number 7. Let's see here. Ay, 7 ang ano pala. Ng water. Ay, hindi pala to. Airy pala to. Spirit tong dalawa here. Octopus. Okay. So, ano kaya ang advice natin? Ayan ang sabi. Nababasa nyo ba? 8-limbed octopus is remarkable for its ability to squeeze into tiny spaces, squirt a dark ink when it feels threatened, camouflage its skin by changing colors, and also for unusual intelligence. It is not only has been shown to be capable of problem solving, but knows how to play and use tools. In mythology, the Kraken was legendary giant sea monster, probably based on the large octopus. They are worthy symbol of water magic. Divination. Water magic is calling to you, beckoning with its many arms. If you can't get to the ocean, try walking in the rain and visiting sacred lakes or springs. Make your own magical water by leaving a jar out under the moonlight or adding crystals. If you can get to the beach, look for the special shell or rock to add to your altar that represent water magic. If you can't, just find a symbol that says water magic to you and focus on that. Message. Water magic can take many forms, and it is one of the easiest elements to embrace. You can take a bath or a shower, integrate magical herbs for whatever goals you are working on. If you want to get in touch with your inner octopus, add some sea salt to your bath water or use colored bath bomb. Bless the consecrate a glass of water with magical intentions and take that water magic inside of you. When it works from the inside and out. So yun. Isa pa. Try pa natin ng isa. One advice. Raccoon. So let's see the raccoon. It's Earth. Number 9. Red Fox to eh. Yun lang yung medyo nakakalito dito kasi nakahiwalay yung Earth. Number 9. This is Spirit. Dito tayo. I think this one. Yeah. I'm sorry kung may maingay sa kapitbahay namin. May bagong lipat. Hindi naman tumatagal. Minsan 2 months lang. With its easily recognized mask, face, and agile paws, the raccoon is perfect representation of earth magic. Clever, resourceful with mammal, adapts to varied surroundings, can figure out and remember solutions to problem, and will happily live alongside humans as long as they are providing source of food. If you need an animal to guide you through changeable times or situation, the raccoon is a good choice. This card may suggest that now is a time to turn the power of earth, grounding, inspiration, or strength. If you need answer to question or solutions to problem, try working some earth magic or asking the spirit of raccoon for help. Spend some time outside if you can do, or something that will connect you to the energy of earth, such as planting something or working with herbs or crystals. Time to tap into your own adaptable nature and use whatever resources there are at your disposal. Think about the issue you are dealing with and see if you can come up with a solution by looking at them from different angle. Whatever the problem is, you can either fix it or using your brain or your hands or both, like the raccoon. How can you tap into the power of earth magic to help? So, yun. Nagsasabi lang na meron akong problema ngayon. At same with the octopus. It seems like ina-isolate ko yung sarili ko, that I need to go outside, meet new people, something like that. Yun yung advice sa akin ng card, which is, it really resonates with my situation right now. So, you know, Aquarius, solitude. We're friendly, but we don't like people. So, yeah. Thank you. So, if you have any oracles and tarot, Lenormand that you want me to review, just let me know. And I'll do my best to review those cards or deck that you want me to check or review. Just comment it below. And yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.